Are you tired of watching your Forex or crypto trades blow up your account again and again? Do you second guess your entries, chase pumps, and panic exit at losses? You're not alone. In fact, over 85% of retail traders lose money. And it's not because they're lazy, it's because they're misled and underprepared. Introducing the Trade Recovery System, a $50 a month membership designed specifically for struggling Forex and crypto traders who are ready to break the cycle. Now, we at ProAct Traders have been helping traders go to the next level since 2004. We trade Forex, cryptos, gold, and silver live every day, and you can be a part of that. So, what do you get for $50? You'll get a daily access to a live training and trading room Monday through Thursday with a live community of traders who trade for a living. We're already up 400 plus pips this week, and it's only Tuesday. Or we do a weekly outlook session to get ready for the week every Monday night, and we look for our swing trade of the week. And by the way, the record for this trade is over 8,000 pips. We post a blog where we post a weekly outlook over the weekend and then a daily trade idea before the New York session. 4 real-time trade alerts per day, entries, exits, and stop losses. You'll get private access to our training academy where you will see hundreds of trading videos on price action, not trading indicators. Access to the session recap video each day at the end of the New York session. And a desktop app that gives you one-click access into our live rooms, alerts, and also the ATR, which is updated each day, as well as all kinds of calculators to help you plan a trade better. This is not some get-rich-quick pump group. No hype, no mystery indicators, just simple, repeatable strategy built from real experience trading price action in real markets. So if you've blown accounts, gotten stuck revenge trading, or felt overwhelmed by conflicting YouTube advice, you need a system, not another signal. So you can join today for just $50 a month. You can cancel anytime, and so start trading with clarity, confidence, and consistency. I'm going to put the links below in this video, okay? But just remember, we've helped hundreds of traders go from blowing accounts to consistent growth, and you could be next. But only if you stop trading alone. You've tried it your way. Let's try it the smart way. Click the links below.